Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, this is the unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi 10 phone 64GB. Redmi 10 levels up the shooting experience by introducing the series' first 50-megapixel camera to make 50-megapixel high-resolution photography accessible to more users. The all-quad camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 2-megapixel macro camera and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Boasting a 90Hz display refresh rate, Redmi 10 levels up the viewing experience by making it one of the most affordable smartphones in its class with such a high refresh rate. Featuring a 6.5 inches FHD Plus display with a 1080p resolution, users will enjoy how smooth the screen is to use day to day. Redmi 10 levels up the design of the Redmi series with a more exquisite and premium look by adopting a silver-framed camera array design with style and elegance. To ensure a comfortable and thin grip, Redmi 10 manages to pack a large 5000 mAh battery under a 8.92mm thin and 1819 light body. Let's improve image signal processor captures photos with sharper and clearer details. With a 5000 mAh large capacity battery, Redmi 10 powers you up over 2 days on a single charge, while also offering 18W fast charging, 9W reverse wired charging, and a 22.5W in-box charger that'll keep you going with less time plugged in. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.